What if I told you that skipping breakfast could actually help you lose weight? Or that fasting for hours could boost your energy instead of making you weak? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what millions of people claim about intermittent fasting. Some call it a game changer, while others say it's dangerous. So is intermittent fasting good or bad? Let's uncover the truth and find out if it's the right choice for you. Stay till the end because I'll also share how to do intermittent fasting the right way without harming your body. Welcome to FitFuelDiaries. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more health, nutrition, and fitness tips. Now let's dive in. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet. It's an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. There are several popular methods, but the most common ones are 16-8 method, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. 14-10 method, a milder version where you fast for 14 hours and eat within 10 hours. 5-2 diet, eat normally for 5 days, then limit your intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. OMAD, or 1 meal a day. Eat 1 big meal per day and fast for the rest of the time. But does fasting really work? Fast fat loss. Fasting forces your body to burn stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss and reduced belly fat, better digestion. Giving your gut a break helps reduce bloating and improve overall gut health. Increased energy and focus. Many people feel more alert and productive while fasting. Lower risk of diseases. Studies suggest intermittent fasting may lower the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation. Simple and flexible. Unlike complicated diets, intermittent fasting doesn't restrict what you eat, just when you eat. Hunger and cravings. It can be tough at first, leading to extreme hunger and binge eating, not ideal for everyone. If you have medical conditions, are pregnant, or have a history of eating disorders, intermittent fasting might not be safe. Possible metabolism slowdown. Some people experience a decrease in metabolism if they don't eat enough during their eating window. Energy dips and mood swings. If done incorrectly, fasting can lead to fatigue, dizziness, or irritability. So, how do you maximize the benefits of fasting while avoiding these issues? Let's go over how to do it the right way. Pick a fasting schedule that works for you. Start with a 12-hour fast, from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., and gradually increase your fasting window. Choose a method that fits your lifestyle. Stay hydrated and avoid breaking your fast. Drink plenty of water to prevent dehydration. Stick to black coffee, green tea, and herbal teas. These won't break your fast. Avoid sugary drinks and artificial sweeteners that can spike insulin and ruin your progress. Eat nutrient-dense foods when you break your fast. Protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, tofu, and lentils will keep you full. Healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil provide sustained energy. Fiber-rich foods, including vegetables and whole grains, are great for gut health. Avoid processed junk food. Breaking your fast with unhealthy foods cancels out the benefits. Listen to your body. If you feel weak, dizzy, or irritable, adjust your fasting window. If you start overeating during your eating window, intermittent fasting might not be the best choice for you. Be patient and consistent. Results take time. Give yourself at least 2 to 4 weeks to see if fasting works for you. For the best results, combine fasting with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Final verdict. Should you try intermittent fasting? Yes, if you want an easy way to manage calories and lose weight. Can handle fasting without feeling miserable. Are looking for health benefits beyond weight loss. No, if you feel weak, stressed, or end up binge eating. Have medical conditions that make fasting unsafe, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a history of eating disorders. The best diet is the one that fits your lifestyle. If intermittent fasting helps you feel good and reach your goals, great. If not, there are plenty of other ways to stay healthy. What do you think? Have you tried intermittent fasting? Did it work for you or did you struggle? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share with someone curious about intermittent fasting. Subscribe to FitFuelDiaries for more health and fitness tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update.